Hi guys, hope you're all doing good out there today. So I got something here I'm excited to show you guys, and it's for my Oregon chain grinder here, and that is the Oregon chain grinder stand. Finally bit the bullet and got one, and it's just due to the way mine is set up here. It's not the greatest by no means. The lighting isn't that great. I'm sitting low to the ground, and then when I actually do my left side cutters, my head is up against the wall a little bit to look down on my chain to make sure my grind is going okay. So I have everything unboxed here behind me. I'm going to show you what it comes with as a kit. We're going to assemble the stand, get the grinder on, and we're going to do a grind on a 36-inch milling chain. So guys, what we have on the bench here right now is our instructions, our base of the stand, and then we have our lower section, our collar, and then our top section of the stand here. It did come with the Allen key here for these 4 bolts. That is what makes this all one group to the base of the stand. And then we have our 2 bolts here with the washer and nuts. That is for our grinder for bolting into the top section of the stand. So when you're assembling something like this, just make sure you loosely start everything to make sure everything lines up, and then just go back through and tighten it all. So guys, we have the base of the stand here right now. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go around to each mounting bolt on each leg. You're gonna grab the nut and hold it while you tighten it with the Allen key they gave you so that the legs don't flop around. Okay, now that you have the leg bolts tightened here, now you're going to take the lower section of the stand, you're going to slide it in the base, and then you're going to start your mounting hardware. So guys, we have the lower section of the stand on here now, so now it's time for the collar, and then it's going to be the top section of the stand. So you're just going to slide the collar over the piece of tubing. Going to get your bolts started for the lower section, and then you're going to take your top section of the stand here, and then you're going to start it. And there you have it. Just 4 bolts. that you have to really assemble the whole stand assembly, and that's it, and just tightening your base bolts. There's nothing to it. So now it's time to get the grinder off the bench here and we'll get it set up. So just before you tighten the grinder completely down, just make sure it's all squared up the way you want it. All right, that looks good there. All right, there you have it. The grinder is on the stand. Looks great. So what I'm gonna do here right quick is I got some zip ties here and I'm just gonna secure the cord here to the stand a little bit better so it's just not flopping around while I drag it around the garage. So let's get after it. Perfect. Okay guys, so now that the grinder is installed onto the stand here, the cord is secured to the stand, I'm gonna grab this 36-inch milling chain here now, and we're gonna start grinding. All right, I got it set up here now for the milling chain. I just gotta get the extension cord plugged in and we're ready to go. Always make sure you wear a set of glasses when you're grinding. Keep the debris out of your eyes. Well guys, just finished grinding out that 36-inch milling chain, and my first initial thoughts on using the chain grinder on the stand is that it's very well built and sturdy. Even though you probably did see it move that a little bit as I was grinding, you're gonna have to expect that with something being top heavy and applying force down. But it went away as soon as I held my hand on the hold down arm here that pinches your chain in the vise. So just something new to learn. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of me taking you along on assembling this and trying it out. Here's a up close shot here of the chain here after it's grinded. Here, if that focuses, here you go. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.